Just click on the header section like any other section, and then click Edit Header. In the header settings, you have layout options, elements, logo, and style tabs. Under the layout tab, this setting controls whether the header becomes sticky. When this is enabled, the header will scroll with you when you navigate down the page. To see this, we need to go to Preview. With it enabled, you can see the header stays positioned here. If we go back to the editor, and we edit the header again, let's turn off the sticky header, save, and preview again to see that the header scrolls with us as we scroll away from it. I'll go back to the editor once more. Back in the header settings, we also have controls for element spacing, link spacing, and top and bottom spacing. We have a few different options to position the logo and other elements. I like the default. If I scroll back up, under Elements, we can show or hide the logo with this setting, show the social icons if we'd like, and show an additional button, where we can edit that button if we choose to show it. Under the Logo tab, we have the option to show the image logo, as we have right now, or replace it with a text logo. We could type anything in here. I'll keep the image, and to replace it, just click Replace Image. I'll click Upload Files, and then select my logo. Then I'll choose it once it's uploaded. Beneath the image upload, you can change the logo width. You can use AI to create a unique logo. This will open up Hostinger's Logo Creator, and you can see that you need credits to create a logo. Here you can type in your prompt, select the drop-down to click the style. I'll choose minimalistic, and here you have some more settings. As a logo file, I want this black and white, so I'll click Create. And Hostinger will start building a few logos. This is a simplistic example, and I'll stick with the logo that I already made. But if you buy credits, they're relatively inexpensive to explore this capability more fully. I'll click Cancel, and then close this tab. Finally, back in the header settings, if you click Style, you have a few more options to change the text font. I'll change this to Roboto. You can make the header transparent, or if you keep it as is, you can change the header background color here.